Look at this comment. That's crazy.
Wow, do you think that'll work?
I don't know, but 8 ounces of PVC glue is about 8 or 10 bucks, where 2.5 ounces of 3D Gloop is about 25 bucks. So let's test out our 3D Gloop versus our PVC glue. Now, like I said, this is about $25, the smaller one. This bigger one I think was like 40. This primer and PVC glue, and this is the medium grade one that does ABS, was about $13 for these two. So usually a bottle of PVC glue is somewhere between 8 and 10 bucks, depending on the brand and some other things. So let's get this open, and we're going to, actually, let me show you what I'm going to do. We're going to actually take, this was from our test of different types of actually 3D printing glue. This was actually our 3D Gloop one, and we could not break the bond. It actually broke by twisting it apart. We were able to snap it, but it didn't break the bond. It actually broke the PLA. We're going to use the same sort of test, but we're going to just sort of recycle these since we've destroyed them. We have the ones where we used liquid nails that didn't bond. We're just going to basically take a couple of these. We're going to bond them together with the glue or with the PVC glue. We're going to clamp them and leave them overnight, and then we're going to test them with the same sort of test to see if we'd snap it apart. So while we're bonding everything, let's talk about how 3D Gloop and PVC glue work. 3D Gloop and PVC glue serve similar purposes in bonding materials, but do it through different mechanisms. 3D Gloop is a specially formulated adhesive designed for 3D printed parts, particularly those made of plastics like PLA, ABS, and PETG. It works by slightly dissolving the surface of the plastic, creating a strong chemical bond between the pieces once it dries. PVC glue, on the other hand, is used primarily for PVC pipes and fittings, but there are also versions that can be used on ABS. It functions by softening the PVC surface, allowing the pieces to be fused together as the solvent evaporates, forming a solid bond. Both adhesives create strong, durable bonds by chemically altering the surface of the materials they work with. 3D Gloop is designed specifically for 3D printed materials such as PLA, PETG, and ABS, while PVC glue is designed for PVC, CPVC, and other materials such as ABS, which is a common material that's used for 3D printing also. We let these dry for a little over 24 hours. Now let's see if we can actually snap the bond apart. This is our 3D printed glue. We're going to do that one first. Okay, it actually broke the PLA. The bond actually held.